You have probably seen viral AI videos like this, getting millions of views on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And you may wonder how you can create such videos by yourself. Well, after watching this video, you will be able to make any viral AI video by yourself. For this process, I'm going to be using Pippit AI. It's a video creation platform powered by CapCut. And now you have Seedance 2.0 in early access on Pippit, which I'm going to be using in this video. You can use the link in bio so that we can do this process together. And the best thing is that you don't need to start from scratch with Pippit AI, because this AI tool has a reference to video feature. And with this feature, you can adapt to any video format without any struggle. What we're doing here is that instead of building the video from scratch, we provide this AI with an example video that we want. And Pippit is going to analyze that video and make a completely new one with the same style. The video on the left is the reference video I used, and the video on the right is the one that Pippit AI made based on that reference. So let me show you how I did that. Once you sign up to Pippit AI, this is the dashboard you are going to see. As you can see here, we have the latest Seedance 2.0 model. This is the model that we are going to be using for the reference to the video feature. First, I'm going to go to this reference video option, and here we can upload the video that we want. And if you want to create a similar version of that video, you can keep this prompt as it is. Let's say if you want to change certain characteristics on your video, then you just need to enter those in this prompt box. I already selected the Seedance 2 as the AI model, and here we can select the size of this video and the duration. And before you generate the video, you need to confirm this message. And let's see the results. So this is the result I got. It's like 90% similar to the reference video I uploaded. Now let's try to make some changes. For that, I'm going to use the same video with a different prompt, like this. Analyze the highlights of the reference video and create a video with the same style as a cake. So I'm going to replace the pancakes in the original video with cake. Let's see how it works. Okay, that's really cool. Exactly as I expected. Just like this, you can make any version of this. You don't need to reinvent the prompt or create a new prompt for this style of videos. With this reference feature, you just need to upload the video you want, and it's going to do everything for you. Now, I have this time-lapse video of a plant growing. I'm going to try to make a similar time-lapse video for a flower blooming. Let's try this. Just like before, I uploaded the video, and as the prompt, I'm going to type analyze the highlights of the reference video and create a similar version for a flower blooming. Here is the result I got. And it's actually super easy. You don't need to write a complex and long prompt to make these videos. Now, I need to try something different. I have this video of two ninjas fighting. I'm going to replace these ninjas with samurai, and let's see if it's going to have the same fighting style. Just like before, I'm not going to use a complex prompt. Let's go with this simple prompt and see the results. That's perfect. Fighting style is the same, only the characters are changed as I mentioned in the comment. Now, take a look at this video. This is a complex video style, but I'm going to try to use this video as a reference, and let's see if we can make similar style videos without any complex prompts. Let's try to create a video of making a salad with this same style. Okay, this is perfect. That's how easy it is to make viral AI videos with Pippit AI. And this reference video feature is really helpful if you want to save your time. Not only that, you can easily create high-quality product ads with Pippit AI. I created this ad using just one prompt. That's just amazing. And if you want to try this tool, the link is in the description. With Pippit AI, making viral TikTok and YouTube shorts is super easy. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope this was helpful and valuable. I will see you guys in the next video.